So, there's a door on our patio that's got a lock on it, and I'm about to unlock it for the first time to see what's inside of it. Because you never know what might be inside the locked door. And I'm turning the knob. Oh shit. It's a water heater. Good thing that sucker's locked up.
And for the record, it is a key lock if you look at the inside. It does require a key. So if the water heater has the key, we're really screwed.
That's a good point. If you come after me or mine, trust me when I tell you, Mr. Water Heater,
You'll be cold for the rest of your
you're gonna go down. You're definitely gonna go down. So if you figure out how to get out of there, you're taking life into your own hands there, son.
much safer. Hope you first get for keys.
I'm gonna fuck that water heater up. Bet your sweet ass on that.